Hey everyone, it's Jeff the IT Guy. Listen, I hope y'all are having a great day, a good afternoon. We're continuing here with our console coverage in Console Wars 2020. Today, we're going to be taking a look at this, the DualSense 5 controller. Nope, I'm sorry. It's just called the DualSense wireless controller for the PlayStation 5. We're going to take a unbox it, and then we're going to compare it to its competitors, such as the Xbox One controller, which is also the Xbox Series X controller, as well as the PlayStation 4 controller. So join me as we unbox this rig. All right, so here it is. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. It's got plenty of tape on the outside. Nice, buddy. Oh no, I ripped the box. That stinks. Oh well. My knife's not doing it for me here. It's not wanting to, there we go. There we go. All right, I'm gonna open it up for you this way. That way you can see what it's like, what it looks like. There we go. As you can see, it's just plain on the inside. I might be able to get it out, might not. Oh, it's got a thumb tab. Boom. Tell you what, it does not want to come out. There it goes. So inside you get a plain white box with it. And so let's open it up. You all get to see it before I do. Well, there it is. That's all. It's a controller inside of some protective covering with a manual. And there is nothing inside of the box right there. That's it. This is lackluster packaging, the same way as it was with the DualSense, or not the DualSense, but the Pulse 3D wireless headset. If y'all haven't seen that video, go check it out. So here it is. Look at that. The Sony DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. Is that not just beautiful? I wouldn't know. I'm seeing it in the monitor. So, some things have changed about this. The grip and stuff is a little bit different. The ergonomics on it are different. The joysticks are the same. The button layout is different as well. It doesn't have the raised hump here or here like it does on the PlayStation 4. The touch pad here is a little bit smaller. You got a PlayStation button there. It lights up blue, which is really cool. And then you've got a mute here. You got the same little connector there. Let's flip it around so that you can see the back. USB-C, which is excellent. So the headset also uses USB-C, which means that you can use the same charger. So that's really cool. So it's USB-C as well. The ergonomics are different. It does have some grip on the back. You all can't see it, but it's supposed to be like little PlayStation symbols and stuff. Here's the buttons. It just matches. You know, it's very alien looking. It's supposed to have adaptive triggers. Whatever that means, we'll have to wait until we see the full PlayStation 5 when it comes out. You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of the Pro Controller for the Nintendo Switch. This reminds me of the Switch Pro Controller almost, the way it feels. Feels very Switch-esque, mixed with a little bit of Sony, if that makes any sense. The buttons are really, I don't know how I feel about these buttons, to be honest. So, really long pulls on the triggers as well. Very clicky. It's pretty comfortable, So let's look at it compared to the old one. So this is the DualSense controller, and this is the PlayStation 4 controller. If you've got a PlayStation 4, you know what we're talking about here. As you can see, it's a little bit raised right here. Over here, it's more like the Xbox on the DualSense controller. The grip on the PS4, a lot of people didn't like this grip. It's very rounded. A lot of people didn't like it. I think it's relatively comfortable. I don't think it's as comfortable as an Xbox One controller, however. I do think that the DualSense 5 is actually, or the DualSense is actually a little bit more comfortable than what the PlayStation 4 controller is. As you can see, they have omitted the light bar, which is just fine. I didn't much care for the light bar myself, so it is a welcome to see that go away. Still got the speaker on the front right here. It's got the neat little PlayStation logo. Okay, so that's what it looks like compared to the PlayStation 4 controller. And then this is my first gen Elite controller for the Xbox. As far as size goes, I actually think that the Xbox controller fits in the hand a little bit better. It's actually a little bit smaller on the grips. Right here. It is actually a little bit smaller on the Xbox than what it is, the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. But, it is what it is, though. But this has been the unboxing of the DualSense controller for the PlayStation 5. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you have not already. We're going to continue with our console coverage with the Xbox Series X coming up next week, as well as the PlayStation 5, all the accessories. We're going to be looking at upgrading the storage in the PlayStation 5 and what drives you need to get so that you can do it and be able to play all of those fresh new next-gen console titles. This has been Jeff the IT Guy. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and a comment if you haven't already, and go ahead and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Thank you.